today we will start the chapter of LCM, that is let's have sweets. Okay, so before starting we will discuss about the previous homework that I have given you from the chapter HCF. So the first question was 72, 90 and 99. We have to find the HCF of these three numbers. So we will use the division method. No, we will use the last method that we have learned. So I am trying to divide this three number using only one number. As I can see, only 9 can divide 72, 90 and 99, right? 3 can also divide. So I'm just doing with 3. Okay, 3. So as I know that the question that if I divide 72 by 3, I will get 24, 30 and 33. Again this number can be divided by 3. It will be 8, 10 and 11. Now 8, 10 and 11 cannot be divided by one number, because if I want to divide it by 2, I can see 2 can divide 8, 2 can divide 10, but 2 cannot divide 11. So my answer, that is HCF of 72, 90 and 99, that will be 3 into 3, that is 9. That is, I am going to take only these two numbers. Okay, 3 into 3, that will be 9. The next question was 11, 33 and 55. So there also I can use this method, because that will be very easy, as I know that 33 and 55 is a multiple of 11. So I will be divide these numbers by 11. So I will get this, right? 11 3 is a 33, 11 5 is a 55. So as I can see, I cannot divide these numbers again. So 11 will be my HCF. So HCF of 11, 33 and 55, that is 11. Okay. Now the last question was 28, 35 and 77. I am trying to do this sum using division method, so that it will help you. So suppose this is 20. I will divide this two number first. So I am taking 28 and 35. I can see 28 cannot divide 35, so 21 28 ones are 28, 7. Now 7, using 7 I am going to divide this number, right? I will write this number here and I will divide 28 by 7. So I will get, so this is my answer here. So 7 is my answer, right? Now using this 7 I will divide 77. So 7, 77. As I know, 11 sevens are 77. So I will do it in one step. So this is my number, because 7 can divide 77. So the HCF of 28, 35 and 77 will be 7. Now we will go to the chapter LCM. So before going to that, we all know about what is multiple. Here I can see a last term which is M, which stand for multiple. So what is this multiple? Multiple of some number. Suppose someone asks you to write the multiple of 3. That means you have to write the table of 3. That is 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 six are. These are the multiple of 3, right? So in this chapter, that is the multiple, first we will learn what is multiple, and then we will find the full form of LCM and what we have to do here. First, what is multiple? Okay, suppose write multiple of 3. That means I have to write 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 fours are. So this will be 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, and so on. Right? So I think you understand what is the meaning of multiple. Now in this chapter, that is the LCM, we have to find the least common multiple. So what is the common multiple? First focus about this, what is common multiple. So the multiple of 3 that we have already uh, done. I'm already done with that. Next I'm writing multiple of, suppose I'm taking multiple of 12, suppose. Okay, so what will be the multiple of 12? I will write 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and so on. Now to compare this common multiple, I am expanding this series. 15, then we will get 18, then we will get 24, next we will get 24, next we will get 27, and so on, right? 21 is missing, sorry, 21, we will get a 21 here also. Now I want to find the common multiple of 3 and 12. What will be the common multiples? Okay, now writing common multiples of 3 and 12. As I see that this 12 is common in both 12 and 3. So the 12 is common multiple. 24. Okay, and if I expand more, the multiple of 3, I can see 36 is also common, 48 is also common, 60 is also common. So the common multiple of 3 and 12, that will be 12, 24, and so on. Now these are the common multiple we are talking about. Now when we have to find the least common multiple, that means least means the smallest one. As I can see, the 12 is the smallest one, that is the smallest common multiple. So first write smallest common multiple of 3 and 12. Obviously I can see this is 12 itself, that is the smallest common multiple. This smallest common multiple means LCM. LCM of 3 and 12 is 12. So my answer is this. Okay, so the LCM of 3 and 12 is 12 itself. So here what we are doing, that is we are first writing the multiple of two numbers, then we are finding the LCM or the smallest common multiple of two numbers. Taking another example, so the question is write two common multiples of 4 and 8 and then find LCM. So in this process what we are doing, that we are finding the LCM using multiples. Okay, so first we have to write the multiple of 4. So multiple of 4, that means we have to write the table of 4. So the multiples of 4, that is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, and so on. Now in the next case we have to write the multiples of 8. So the multiples of 8, that will be 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, and so on. Now here we are only asked to find the two common multiple. The two common multiple, we know this will be the common, and this will be this will be also common, this is also common. So we have to write only 2. So the two common multiples of 4 and 8, that is 8 and 16. Now using this result we have to find the LCM. Now LCM means the least common multiple. So the least one or the smallest one is 8. So the LCM will be 8. So my answer, that is the LCM of 4 and 8, is 8. So I hope the process is clear. That is, first we have to find the multiples and then we have to find the common multiples, and next we have to find the LCM. It is similar to that of HCF, where we have to find the factors and then we have to find the common factors, and after that we have to find the HCF, that is the highest common factor. So the next question is, find the LCM of 12 and 21 using multiples. So here also we have to find the LCM using multiple method. So the multiples of 12, that is 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and so on. Now we will write the multiple of 21, that is 21, 42, 63, 84 and so on. Now here we are only asked to find the LCM. We don't need to find the how many common factors are there. We are only concerned about the LCM, that is the least common multiple. As I can see, only the common factor, that is the lowest common factor, or the least common multiple, or the smallest common multiple, that is 84. Because 21, 42, 63, we cannot find this number here, or we cannot find 12, 24, 36, 48 here. So the smallest multiple or the smallest common multiple between these two numbers is 84. So we have to find the LCM here. So the LCM of, or we can write this also, that is the common multiple of 12 and 21, that is 84. So LCM will be 84. Okay, this will be my answer. So girls, this will be your homework. That is, you have to find the LCM of 14 and 21, 15 and 20, 16 and 18. Next day we will find another way to we will do another method to find the LCM. So in this class we only learned about the multiple method, that is to find the LCM using multiple. This is your homework. You have to do it and you have to write done in this video's comment section, so that I can know that you are actually seeing this video and you are actually working or doing the math. We have also discussed about the previous homework that I have given you from that HCF chapter. So hope you have all done that. If not, then please do it. And if you have already done, then please check your answer, and you can also write that you have checked it and what you got. Actually you whether you have done that correctly or not, you can write that also. And if you have any problem regarding the sum, you can ask me personally, or you can ask it in me here also in the comment section. So next day we will do LCM with other methods. Thank you.